So we got another situation with broody frickin' chickens.
There's the two behind there in the same place.
Come on, it's time to go out. Jesus. This is going to be such fun. Come on. Come on. All the awkward spots. Wow. Come on. Come on. Go on. Show her the door. You're not going in. No, don't.
Yeah, but she's been out.
She'll be on her own. And she's making a bit of noise. Oh dear. Not happy. Come on. Come on. Just wow. Let's try and... Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Here we go. There you go. Go on. Go on. It's time for free range. Go, go, go. Come on. Go on. Oh dear. Come on. Go on. Out in the fresh air. And what we got? Just one egg. And that one was sitting on two. Lovely. There we go.